Plate. Congratulations. Here's Mike.
Jett, fantastic season. On behalf of the AMA, it gives me great pleasure to present you with the 2022 Monster Energy AMA Supercross Championship 250 East #1 plate. Congratulations.
If you didn't see, that's Jett Lawrence taking his #1 plate for the 250 East Supercross title. Being under 18, or not under 18, being under 20, already winning a motocross title, a 250 title. He'll have next year to defend it, which probably more likely, let's say I'm gonna say he's probably gonna be racing West, which, you know, he was supposed to race West this year until he got injured and ended up racing East. So I think he will be quote unquote defending his 250 title on a different coast next year. And then depending on how that goes, I bet you he goes 450, but we're not getting there yet. We're not even going to talk about that. This was pretty cool for me because I got to be in, well, not got to be, but I was in Foxborough watching this race, or watching the races, and seeing, you know, the future of the sport, like, quite literally. He is super young, super talented, very well liked, and, you know, it's the whole package for the sport at the moment because he has fan engagement, he has the speed to be, you know, the face of the sport. He's fun, he's young, he's got the factory ride, you know, the big name sponsors, and you think he's 18, maybe turning 19. You look at Eli Tomac and he's 29, 30, something like now. You're going to have 10, 11, 12, maybe more years of you know, Jett Lawrence being Jett Lawrence, which is great, and especially you get his brother too, and he's just great for the sport. Personally, I think he's one of the, you know, best personalities that's been in for the last years. But tell me in the comments what you think. You know, good race, bad race. Are you glad he won? Do you think he's going to do well in motocross this year? And maybe even, hey, do you think what coast he's going to be racing next year? How well do you think he's going to do? Either way, whatever it is, comment down below, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things, and I will see you all later. Peace.